Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the speakers on the Samsung Galaxy S22 5G mobile phone. Check the description for the required tools, safety gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone, remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the backer side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components of the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the back cover. Gently lift the cover using the suction cup. Then carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap. Slide the tool around the edges to cut through the adhesive. Keep the tool shallow and take your time to avoid damaging internal components. Please note that some devices may need extra heat to soften the adhesive. Once the adhesive is fully separated, gently lift and remove the back cover from the body. Next, remove the 6 screws securing the wireless charging pad. And then disconnect and remove the wireless pad from the body. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, remove the faulty speaker from the device. First, undo 7 screws and then remove the faulty speaker cover. Next, place and secure the new speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, connect the battery plug to the logic board. Next, align the wireless charging pad. Secure the 6 screws and then reconnect the connector plug. Next, turn on the device for testing. Before installing the back cover, check the adhesive. If needed, apply new adhesive or use B7000 glue. Finally, place the back cover and secure it with bonding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.